this is straight win victory for Novak Djokovic.
I think it's ridiculous that no one will protest for anyone else except for a tennis player who is here in the country.
You know, it's not like someone should get special treatment just because of the status that they hold.
There's just both sides to it. There's the side where he was let in and then now he's come all the way here and they're saying that he can't play. But then on the other hand, there's all the players in the Oz Open who have done the right thing, have gotten vaccinated.
He showed us that you have the right to stand up and fight for your freedom.
Reaction out of Melbourne Monday after the men's world #1 tennis player Novak Djokovic won a high-profile legal challenge to stay in the country and compete at the Australian Open, defending his title. But his fight to stay in the competition may not be over just yet. Back in practice and posing for a pic, Djokovic celebrating his courtroom victory on social media, posting in part, "I'm pleased and grateful that the judge overturned my visa cancellation. Despite all that has happened, I want to stay and try to compete at the Australian Open." He went on to thank his supporters, saying he remains focused on his attempt at a record 21st Grand Slam win. A judge down under ordering Djokovic's release from an immigration detention center and reinstating his visa after it was revoked last week by officials who said he didn't qualify for an exemption to a rule that all non-citizens must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19. That decision deemed unreasonable by the judge, who found the athlete wasn't given enough time to speak to tennis organizers and lawyers to respond fully. The player's family welcoming the ruling.
It's been a battle for all of us. It's not just about Novak, obviously. We've been defending him every possible way we could because we know he's a truthful and rightful guy and he will never do anything to across any federal or state law anywhere in the world.
Djokovic's lawyers say that since he recently recovered from COVID-19, he didn't need to be inoculated. The Australian immigration minister, however, could still use a personal power to deport the tennis star, something that could include a 3-year ban on re-entering the country. According to court documents, Djokovic tested positive for COVID-19 on December 16th, his family refusing to answer questions about Djokovic attending an event the next day.
On the 17th of December.
Okay, so this press conference is adjourned at the moment.
The Australian Open is set to begin January 17th. Melissa Duggan, City News.